cheerleader.
Oh, hi, Lily.
Cheerleaders are so cool. How do I become one?
It's super easy. All you need is a chant and a routine. Let me show you. Okay, first chant. Give me a C.
Okay. C.
Nice try, Joyce, but try curving your arm like this.
Oh, more like this?
Yeah, just like that. Now give me an H.
H.
All right, now that we practiced it, let's do it for real. Okay, give me a C. Give me an H.
What does that stand for? Crafty Hacks.
Good job, Joyce. Now you're officially a cheerleader. Here.
I'm a cheerleader now. Awesome.
Let's do it again. All right, give me a C. Give me an H.
The Prankster.
If you don't stop messing around, you're all going to fail my class.
Oh, just leave us alone, Professor Stacy.
Why aren't you studying? We have a big test coming up.
Popular kids don't study, but we do like pranks. I'm gonna use this double-sided tape to prank Miss Stacy.
I don't know, Lily. That sounds like a really bad idea.
First, I gotta stick this piece of tape on the table. All right, now just put the cup on top. Make sure the cup is really stuck. This is gonna be so good.
Does anyone have any... excuse me, I need a drink of water. Huh? Who did this?
I don't know.
No one's gonna confess. You all failed my class.
What?
Come on, Professor, please. No.
The stylish one.
Joyce, here's your new dresses for school.
Mom, but everyone will make fun of me.
Oh, you look beautiful. Just try it on.
I guess. No! It's so ugly. I look like Grandma.
I think you look amazing.
Whatever. I'm going to Lily's house, Mom.
Have fun.
Lily, look at what my mom got me for school.
Ew, that dress is so out of style. People are gonna make fun of you at school.
I know, right?
Don't worry, I have some dresses you can try on.
Oh, thank you so much, Lily.
Here, try this one.
Thanks, Lily. It looks so cute. Wow. Now I'll be stylish in school. Thanks, Lily.
No problem. Ooh, this one would be cute for tomorrow.
Oh, you're right. The makeup queen. Lily, there's a party next week and I've never done makeup in my whole life.
Don't worry, Joyce. You just need 3 things.
Okay.
All you need is foundation, lipstick, and eyeliner. Here, start with the foundation.
Oh, that's it? That sounds easy. Done! How does it look, Lily?
I think it's a little bit too light.
It can't be that bad.
Okay.
So what's next? Eyeliner? Lily, this is turning out great!
If you think so.
And that's his lipstick, right? Sounds good! Lily, lipstick's a little bit harder than I thought. Can you help me?
Let me just help you with everything.
Okay, you are the makeup queen.
Yeah, thank you.
The Partier. Where are you taking me?
You'll see.
Okay. Surprise!
All right.
Wow, I love this party.
Yeah, me too!
Huh, Joyce? What are you doing? You look crazy.
I'm dancing!
What? You call that dancing? That's embarrassing. Yeah.
Aw, okay.
Don't worry, Joyce. I got you. Let me show you how to dance, okay? You just have to tone it down a little bit, like this.
Oh, like this?
Yeah.
The cheater.
Joyce, wake up. We got a test.
Huh? What? A test? Oh no, I didn't study! Wait, how do popular kids pass class when all they do is party?
Shh, easy. We don't study, we cheat.
What?
So which cheat sheet do you want? In the jacket, this hat, or the slap band?
I'll take the slap band.
Good choice. All right, let's go ace this test.
Okay. Bonus content.
Okay, everyone, you have 30 minutes to finish your tests.
Thank you, Miss Stacy.
Thank you.
No problem. Lily, Joyce, what do you think you're doing? Are these cheat sheets? You both fail your exam.
comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you in the next video.